Are you aware of what allows you to talk, regulates your blood, and ultimately allows you to live? Your respiratory system. Even if you are a fit athlete, you may face breathing issues. And with age, these breathing issues become worse. Luckily, you get rid of COVID-19, but can you avoid post-COVID-19 diseases? Although you can't completely avoid these, you still need a sound respiratory system to live. And Wellness Chemist Respirin is the one to assure it. It repairs all the damaged lung tissues, recover from diseases. It also repairs changes to help to restore. Unique natural peptide formula, enhanced with wild-crafted organic herbs, activates a robust regeneration process that assists your body in healing naturally. Mostly it's natural antioxidant, improves natural oxygen absorption dramatically. So, grab Respirin from your nearest pharmacy or from wellnesschemist.com to see the magic.